The best thing about using CNC for woodworking is that I can get out of the square. Of course, I can use a bandsaw or Dremel to create a curve, but with an easier way to get curves, I think I could over the limits of design a little bit. I learned woodworking with CNC at the first stage, so I'm looking for a chance to learn other hand tools. I hope tools don't get in the way of making my sketch into a real object. Today's video is about making cloud shelves. I'm going to cut a cloud and a square shape and insert the square into a cloud like this. It will be stronger than just screwing it. Make a file and cut it with CNC. Check the bottom fits in the hole first. Sometimes it may not fit. In the case, I need to sand it a lot. It's important to accurately measure the thickness of the wood from the beginning. At the end of the hole, there is a part that is rounded because of the thickness of the blade. I grind it and make it flat. I think I should use a small handsaw next time. There is a problem. The bottom is a little longer than the hole. It looks like about a millimeter longer. Since all three are the same size, it seems to have made a mistake from the file. I cut it to size with a table saw. Remove dust with an air gun and prepare to color. I'm going to use PANTONE paint. Personally, I like the PANTONE color very much. I brought green flash, grape mist, and orange popsicle colors and a palette as well. Green flash first. It's very bright green with a little fluorescence, not natural to feel. It looks artificial, but the color is cute. That reminds me of a macaron. Grape mist. I cannot say it is a blue or purple. It's a bit of a mysterious color. It looks like a mixed color of milk and grape juice. I like it because it feels fluffy. Orange popsicle. The artificial feel looks like orange macaron. If the material was solid wood, these colors would not match, but I used rough plywood. These colors make up for the rough drawbacks of plywood and are cute and look great. I think they go very well with this cute cloud-shaped form. I had to fill the hole with wood putty before painting. I realized that after the first painting because I could see the holes more clearly by painting. It was late, but I filled the hole with putty. Wait for the putty to dry before sanding. And I did the second coloring. Paint one by one, it finished it sooner than I thought. Now it's time to assemble. Insert the bottom and tap it with a rubber mallet. It doesn't seem to need finishing nail because it fits so tightly, but I shot few in the bottom. It's fixed more tightly. Assemble them one by one. Finally, I put a triangle hook on it. I used a ruler to measure the size, mark the middle, and then attach a hook. Now it's time to hang on the wall. Mark where the screw goes and drill them. Hang cloud shelves one by one and put some decorations. I think 3 of them all together, they are very cute. Looks nice to put small stuff like keys, cell phone, souvenir, etc. Looking at the side, the bottom looks a bit long. If the bottom is shorter, it would be cuter. What do you think? So far, I made cloud-shaped shelves like this. I'm planning videos of making various stuff. If you want to know what I'm going to make, please subscribe and I will see you in the next video.